For more than 30 years, two very different groups of patients have been seen entering the clinic. Some walk in independently, while others arrive needing assistance. The difference is rarely pain, age, or bad luck. It comes down to leg strength. After the age of 60, leg strength declines quietly. Standing up takes longer, stairs feel harder, and balance becomes less certain. This is not just aging, it is muscle loss. Walking is often recommended, which supports the heart, circulation, and mood, but it does not fully prevent muscle loss. Muscle responds to resistance, not movement alone. Once that is understood, the focus shifts from walking to targeted strength work. That is why these three simple chair-based exercises focus directly on the muscles responsible for standing, balance, and fall prevention. Exercise 1. Seated knee extension. For many seniors, standing up from a chair starts to feel harder, often needing to push off with the hands. This movement directly targets that problem. Sit tall in a firm chair with both feet flat and hips all the way back. Slowly lift one leg and straighten it until it feels fully extended without forcing the knee. Take about 2 seconds to lift, hold briefly, then lower slowly over 3 seconds. Keep the motion controlled, no swinging. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions per leg. This helps seniors stand up with less effort and more control. Exercise 2. Seated heel raises. Many seniors notice balance becoming less reliable, especially while walking or turning. This exercise strengthens the lower legs to improve stability. Sit upright with feet flat and hip width apart. Keep the toes on the ground and slowly lift both heels as high as possible. Take 2 seconds to rise, pause, then lower over 3 seconds. Avoid rushing and keep posture steady. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions. As strength improves, try 1 foot at a time. This helps seniors stay steady and reduces the risk of losing balance. Exercise 3. Seated sit-back control. For seniors, one of the most common struggles is sitting down safely without dropping into the chair. This movement builds control and confidence. Sit at the front edge of a sturdy chair with feet flat. Lean slightly forward and begin to stand just a few inches. Then slowly lower back down over 4 to 5 seconds. Focus on control, not speed. Perform 6 to 8 repetitions. Hands can stay close for safety, but the legs should do the work. This helps seniors sit and stand with better control and lower risk of falls.